Today, we're actually got my homie Tyler's car here, putting a bigger turbo on it. Is that your baby? All right, here's the turbo. It's pure 800, still stock housing, so it's all gonna bolt up the same. They literally just changed the impeller wheel and make it bigger so it can make more horsepower, obviously. All right, here's the turbo, little spoolie boy. It's nice, Billy compressor wheel too, sick. All right guys, car's all jacked up, finally. These cars are a pain to jack up, dude, with just the jack and no lift, but it's on the jack stands now. So we gotta go start off and take the intake off, and then after we take the intake off, we'll have access to the turbo. Then we gotta take off the downpipe down there, and then start taking off all the coolant and oil lines. We'll see how hard this is gonna be. I feel like it's gonna be a pain to do, but hopefully it's not too bad, but I feel like it's gonna be a pain. Want the intake out? Dude, this thing's all colorful down here.
Bro.
The downpipe is like titanium.
Prestige downpipe, man. Yeah.
There's like two little brackets down there I have to get it on.
Right here.
There we go.
Yo.
Wanna see your Prestige 10 downpipe? Ah!
Oh.
Bro, there's something sharp down here.
Bro, that was way faster than installing
before?
it. Yeah.
It's also smaller though. Maybe your Prestige 10. Your
Prestige
titanium.
10.
Chinese titanium.
Oh yeah? eBay.
eBay. Heat shield bracket. I don't know what it is, but it's some sort of bracket. But you gotta take this off to get to the top manifold bolt anyway. So. Got the heat shield off.
Progress.
More progress. Now all the manifold bolts are right there. And, oh, that's not that bad. Just the back one's gonna be kind of annoying. The front one should be fine. And then we can take up the oil and the coolant.
Oh yeah.
Let's see if we can do it faster than Keys Motorsports.
Jones.
And just the oil line and the coolant line. When we take off the coolant line though, I heard that thing drips coolant everywhere though, dude. So that's gonna be fun. Just trying to clean up. There's so many of them, bro.
What the hell?
Japanese cars are not like this.
Bro, there's no way it needs all.
There's so many. Bro, putting this back on is gonna be so annoying. Bro, there's so many. Look at all the screws. This is crazy. Look. There's so many. Alright, oil drain line. It's down there. I had to take out that stupid splash guard so I can actually get to the oil drain line. You can't reach it from the back where you take the downpipe off, so you gotta take it off so you can kind of reach it in there. It's still kind of hard to get to, but yeah, so you gotta take off that little drain line right there. And then after that, you gotta take off the coolant line right there, and that thing's gonna leak coolant everywhere, but it's okay. That's all that drain pan right there. Just like it's see better.
Bro, I don't even know what I'm looking at.
A bunch of metal.
See, the topinator goes to the wapinator, which powers the...
Do hit the thing. There's like no room in these cars, bro. And I thought working on the IS was bad. This is even worse.
Bro, he hates this car.
3 Series are so much easier because they're bigger. Like the G20s. This car's tiny. Boom. Hey, brother. Hey, brother. Alright. You have the bolts. 2 bolts that'll hold this stupid thing on. Bro, I'm so used to doing this with the other cars. To be honest, I don't even know if you have to take the bottom out. He took it out, so I'm just gonna take it out. But here's the drain line now. That's a small drain line, but see the oil in it? Yeah, but there's the coolant one still too. Alright, oil line's off. Now we gotta take off the coolant lines. As you can see that one right there. There's a little bolt that holds on, so we're gonna take that one off, and then there's one connected to the block. I gotta take this part of the intake off too now. I just noticed that, but shouldn't be too bad. Then after that, we can take off the top manifold bolts right there, and hopefully they should be good to come out. Oh my god. Dude, that's such a pain to get off. Trash.
Then I was like that.
Basura, man. It's horrible. Nah, that probably took like an hour just to get that off. Yeah. Well, with the intake pipe, because we took all that out, but the intake pipe was a pain too. We're still gonna reuse the stock charge pipe, and we still want to drive the car, and we don't have the aftermarket one, so we don't want to break that to take it off, because most people just break them. So we're just gonna take it off with the turbo so that way we can put it on the other turbo once it's fully off. All the coolant is draining now. Ugh. Alright. The coolant line's out now, finally. So now that the coolant lines are out, we can start taking off the bolts for the turbos and take the manifold off. It's kind of hard to see down here, but there's like a little bracket on here. My hands are so dirty. There's a bracket, and on the bracket there's 10 little 10 mils holding it on. So we just gotta take those out, and then once we take those out, the bracket will come off, and the turbo will tilt down, and then you'll be able to slide it up. So that's what we're doing right now. Okay. There's this little bracket on the bottom of the turbo that you have to take off. It's a T45, I think it is, or something. I don't know. I didn't have it. I had to run home and grab this real quick with him. Now we can go and take off the. Oh, it's kind of dark now, but there's the last bolt I left on there hanging. Oh, what's up, dog? No, he's running. Yeah, I had the last bolt on there. I can take this off now, and then the turbo should slide out. So everything's disconnected now, so it should just slide right out. Oh wait, hold on. This is. I have to push this down here. Oh, the charge pipe's in the way now, bro. Bro, getting this out is such a pain. There's like no room, bro. It's like the IS. There's no room to work.
But it's out. Stock turbo out.
Stock turbo's out. How long's it been? Like 4 hours?
Yeah.
Bro.
At least.
Alright, let's take this baby. That's funny. Oh, it was loud. Alright, guys. So, that's funny. Alright, so we got the turbo out. Finally. This thing was a pain to take out, but here's the new one. We're going to change the wastegate actuator now and put it on this one, and then all the coolant lines, and put them over, and then it'll be ready to drop back in the car. Got the wastegate actuator off now. Usually there's a C-clip, that little thing, it goes on there, and then there's like 4 little T20 screws that you just take out right there, and then now we're just gonna slide this one back into here now like this. So tired already. Wait, what time is it? Okay. 8:58. Was he? Oh my god, it's so late, dude. But finally got the lines all off the old turbo, the gaskets and everything. I have put new O-rings on it. Oil lines are on, wastegate actuator's on, and then now it's time to actually drop it back in the car. Almost done. This part should hopefully be easier. Hopefully. Less time consuming too, because we ran into a couple of problems, but hopefully it works. Alright. Let's go. There we go.
Yo.
That was crazy. You. Tom, dude, that thing's heavy, bro. Heavy when it's in the bay trying to pick it up.
Wait, did it feel heavier than the other one?
It feels the same.
Fine.
Dude, it's kind of cool how these are, because usually on the 2Js and all that, the turbo manifold, there's bolts on the top and on the bottom, but on these, you literally just set it in there and it slides on, and then you just put bolts along the top. From here, it's just hooking up all the coolant lines and then the intake and all that kind of fun.
Nick 06 in the building.
It's that slow Z06.
TikTok, when you lose a race and post the Z06 and then put the next day with your turbo going on.
I'm tired of losing.
Watch, Nick's gonna come back now in his whole pull ported cam.
How Noah was standing on here.
Oh yeah, I got in his engine.
How do we, wait, what? How?
I did this. Cause that's what I always.
Damn, new engine.
That's what I do when I work on my cars. Cause it's easier when you're actually in the engine.
He's like,
bro, you have some bullies.
hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta get
Gotta get all the angles.
the angles, yeah.
I have to break it in though. We're going to Vegas.
Yeah. I told him let's just go to OC and back for a car meet, but it's too late now.
Yeah, the install took 6 more hours than I knew what you thought. When did you guys get here? Or when did Noah get here?
Dude, getting the downpipe off was so easy now compared to like when we first did it.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh yeah, because it's just thinner. Yeah.
You noticed it on Roberta's car how hard it was.
Dude,
how big it is.
it literally felt like I was like taking a baby out of the car. Like it was like putting the actual downpipe in. It was just like, it was like slid in.
Right.
But the cat was like, bro. Fast M240, only one with a single exit in the area. That's actually sick.
He's like, bro, I'm stock turbo, but I have a single exit with radials on the back. I just pretend to be fast.
I'm literally so tired.
Bro, Minute Maid Lemonade smacks.
And not sponsored, but
Not sponsored.
Dude.
I wish they would give me a sponsor.
you
Go
have
build
to
my
do a
whole
sick
ad.
edit, turbo.
If I get a sponsor on Minute Maid, I'm gonna have a GT3 RS in my driveway.
That's how you know you made it in the Minute sponsor.
No.
He's out here. Oh, okay. Yeah, we have more people.
The gang's all here.
How we doing, guys?
You wanna see the turbo?
No.
Hours later.
Yeah.
but it's on there now. It's gonna be louder.
No, it's not.
No.
So you know the funny thing would
It's
be?
the same thing.
All of this, you'd be doing all over again in reverse. It's not going that direction.
It's the same turbo.
Boom, 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 boom.
Top tier. Are you trying to get my fingers on there?
Yes.
For free?
I gotta rinse it.
The genuine people in your life that watch your videos are like,
Right.
what the hell? Who are you hanging out with?
No.
Dude, imagine no one brings.
No.
They probably look good though.
Wait, did you ever have
I'll
like
hype you up.
No.
When he was younger, probably. Yeah, the Canon event buzz cut.
Bro, I remember when you got in the pool and your hair like stayed the same.
Yeah.
I was like, wait, what?
Tyler's like, yo, it's a black person. I've never seen it before. I know it struggles.
I gotta loosen it now.
No complaints for 4 hours installing a turbo. Who decided to pull up? Berto.
I look dirty right now.
No, you're fine, you're fine. Look at Tyler. You worry about you? There's an old turbo on the ground. They lied to you. We're not really that close to. We got like.
I know.
Yeah.
I know.
He's putting. We just finished doing the coolant line, so now we have to do charge pipe and then put the down pipe back on.
did you have to pick on?
Everything. Look at this ratness of sensors.
Let's just start it like this.
Turbo dump.
This was all off. This was all off.
No, we got here at 4.
It's 11. Or is it 10?
It's 10:30.
10:30.
Yeah. But I'm gonna go.
What?
Bruh.
Wait, what?
Oh, wait, I'll come back in like 30 minutes.
Okay, okay.
Are you for?
Wait, what was the point?
Yo!
Why did you drive here then? What? Bro.
We're all bamboos.
Wait, what do you call? What's it called in a show? Like when like a famous person comes like for like 2 seconds.
Cameo.
Bro, I mean a cameo.
Bro, shut up.
Bro, think he alone.
And then was like, alright, I'll come back. But then I'm gonna come back in 30 minutes.
Bro, this lighting's asshole.
No.
I'm gonna talk about the time.
Alright, so we got all the coolant lines on now. Finally, those were a pain to put on. So all the coolant lines are on. The turbo's bolted down. I got the charge pipe on. Now I think we just have to put the bottom bracket on. And then the intake stuff, and then the downpipe, and then it should be ready to start. Hopefully I put everything together right and it doesn't blow up. It's probably gonna blow up. What?
I don't know. Pull up again. Literally nothing has changed. I mean, some is, yeah. Yeah. All right, put it on downpipe.
I have to hand it to me like a baby.
No, cause well, I mean, once the O2 sensors are on, you just gotta bring up the wires.
Let it go down.
Martin,
You're talking about the cars.
yeah.
Because my car's
But yours is still
no, the S58 engines.
S550 with the windows tinted.
Downpipe 2 on those get 700. You just have to spend 80 grand on the car.
Bro, I'm so tired. I'm broken. My humor is literally just dumb right now.
Alright, so downpipe's on, finally.
Downpipe on.
V-band's on. Oh, I gotta hook up the O2 sensor still. But after you do O2 sensors, intake is on. We just gotta put the box back, and then it should be ready to start. Should be. Okay. Airbox is on. Guys, it's so late right now. 4:58. And I've been here since 4. Okay. The fuel pump. Finally. Yeah, it's all the smoke from the oil. Yeah, so it's gonna smoke a little bit just to burn off all the oils, but God, this thing's taking forever, dude. It's like 2 in the morning right now. Just a bunch of little tiny problems, but yeah. We're gonna go on a test drive right now. Still got a braking turbo, but finally. Cooper with the glasses. Ready to go to my house to get my cord for the 340 because this man's cord doesn't work. Flash map.
Dude.
MHD.
Dude, I just like be at my house.
Alright, we're gonna go put miles on the car so we can go. We need the intake. Dude, it is so much louder, the turbo. You probably can't even tell on camera, but in person you can tell the spool is way louder. The turbo's so much louder. Imagine once you get the intake too now, how much louder it's gonna be. My first meal of the day, literally, and it's 2:55 in the morning. Bro, oh, this is so bad.